In this video, we will discuss the Urasenke tradition of tea. Have you ever tasted matcha powdered green tea? Have you heard of the Japanese tea ceremony or Chado? Perhaps some of the audience members have seen a person in kimono making a bowl of tea. In Urasenke, we call the Japanese tea ceremony Chado, the way of tea. Chado, the way of tea, is the art of preparing tea. In practical terms, Chado involves a host making a bowl of tea, combining a proper amount of matcha powdered green tea with hot water for guests, The host prepares an appropriate setting, including the location, tea utensils, scroll, flowers, incense, matcha, sweets, and so on, and the guests are encouraged to appreciate everything they see, hear, smell, taste, and touch in the tea house. There's so much to learn in Chado. But as a guest, you don't have to know any details to enjoy drinking tea. The most important thing for you to do is to sit and enjoy a bowl of tea in a nice atmosphere. Chado is full of hospitality. We call it omotenashi in Japanese. The host will do his or her best to make you happy. The host and guests will have heartfelt verbal and nonverbal exchanges. Being considerate to the others in the tea room is very important. The actions and amicable conversations in the tea room make everybody's heart warm and peaceful. That is the ultimate purpose of a tea gathering. Guests are encouraged to use their 5 senses to appreciate everything the host does for them. The host and the first guest communicate verbally and through certain movements. Tea practitioners enjoy hearing faint sounds such as boiling water and pouring water into the kettle. Chado is done in quiet surroundings. Urasenke is the largest Japanese tea ceremony group. Members of Urasenke are all over the world. In Seattle, Urasenke is represented by Chado Urasenke Tankokai Seattle Association. The Seattle Association was founded 50 years ago. We are a non-profit organization and currently have 100 members. The association is part of the worldwide Urasenke membership organization called Tankokai, which was founded in 1940 in Kyoto, Japan. The main mission of Tankokai Seattle Association is to spread the Japanese tea ceremony in the Seattle area. We maintain a friendly relationship between the US and Japan through the tea ceremony. We work closely with Urasenke headquarters in Japan and among members. Today's Chado was founded in the 16th century by Sen no Rikyu. Urasenke is one of the 3 family lineages that has continued since Rikyu. The estate of Urasenke has been in a quiet neighborhood in Kyoto for over 350 years. Within the Urasenke complex, there are several tea rooms, tea gardens, as well as training facilities. The old tea rooms and tea gardens are so significant in history and culture that the whole Urasenke complex has been designated an important cultural property, Juyo Bunkazai, by the Japanese government. Chado values appeal to everyone. Some people say that having a bowl of tea in a tea room makes them feel peaceful and calm. In fact, they feel calm as if they were momentarily away from their busy daily lives. The four principles of Chado Sensen no Rikyu are Wa, Kei, Sei, Jaku, or harmony, respect, purity, and tranquility. The reason why Chado attracts many people is that Chado is for everyone, regardless of nationality, race, religion, and age. People are moved by Chado. This tradition of tea has continued from generation to generation and will be preserved to the next generations. Tankokai Seattle Association performs tea sessions 2 days each month at the tea house in the Seattle Japanese Garden. Tea demonstrations are also done at the Seattle Cherry Blossom Festival, Japan Fair, Bellevue College's Japan Week, and Seattle Art Museum. We also have tea classes for Saturday school children at Bellevue Children's Academy. We offer private tea ceremony sessions as well. We hope that people get to know Chado. Please do not think Chado is too difficult or too formal. Let's just sit and enjoy a bowl of tea.